Welcome to Suffolk County Music Service's video presentation of the Wicket Celebration piece Hall of Fame, Session 1. In this session, we are going to learn how to play the first and the last instrumental sections of the piece, as well as learn how to sing along to the verse and the chorus.
Hello, it's Mr. Tabor here, and once again it's time to play. As I talked about in previous videos, make sure you set up your instrument carefully, buzz on your mouthpiece and play some long notes on your instrument to warm your lips up. And always play with good posture. Before playing the instrumental section of Hall of Fame, we are going to practice the rhythm of the 2-bar phrase by first of all clapping, then mouthpiece buzzing, and then on the notes C and D. Copy Mr. Tabor after each time.
1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4.
Practice this many times. Now you are ready to try the tune.
Here's a quick reminder of the notes you will need. Take a moment to have a look and pause the video if you need to. First instrumental section. Listen and watch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1st instrumental section. Now you can try playing it. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1,
Well done everyone, you've done a great job listening to each tutor and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this video as many times as you'd like to help you practice the piece at home. So keep up the good work and hope you look forward to session 2 of Hall of Fame next time.